I was reading an old newspaper this morning. Last December, 2 girls in Jersey, they drove a girl out to the middle of nowhere. They dragged her out of the car by the hair. They took her coat, her shoes, and drove off. An old grudge. 3 hours later, she showed up, frostbitten, exhausted. Pepper said she might lose some of her toes. They should have just shot her. People are so cruel. Have you noticed that every time you cross the Manhattan Bridge, every fucking time, somebody's double parked buying a cheesecake on Flatbush Avenue, like half of us people need a fucking cheesecake? Did I mention you're late?
I forgot the street. We had to turn around and go in the other direction.
You're an idiot. How long have you lived here?
A long time. It's just the waterfront. It all looks the same, Phillipe.
Follow me.